Which is the noisiest bird in the world?
But no need to answer, no need to see clear. No need to see. But.
How does it sound? Alright guys, have you ever been cruel to animals before?
Alamak, you asked this question
Not proud not proud.
Was us the king of the tortured animal guy?
No, no, I don't think so. But okay, there was one I was cycling. Okay, I saw a frog.
Seems like a common animal.
I ran it over.
Purposely,
Oh.
No, I wanted to. Okay, so the frog is here. I wanted to swerve, but I swerved too early. So the frog jumped. And then it jumped in the path
That
of
one
my...
is kamikaze already, nothing to do with
But
you.
when you,
That was my fault
when you
lah.
ran over the frog, right?
You want to ask me whether I shook or not?
Yes.
No lah, what the hell?
But why would you know that I want to ask this question? Because
You come ask me what, you always ask this kind of question.
because you secretly got shook,
No
right?
lah. Oh yeah, then I think I never...
But from what I recall, we went to Kukup together.
Yes, okay, I have to come on and say.
Yeah.
Oh!
I have ill-treated animals many times.
What y'all do in Kukup?
Recorded in 4K.
Is it the mud skipper one?
Yeah lah, they too
But that one not you. That one training their agility.
Okay, I share with you what happened. We were in Kukup, right? So there are a lot of like marshy areas and all, right? So there were a lot of mud skippers over there. And what we did was there was a collection of rocks, pebbles and stuff, right? We took a few, all very small ones. And then we started to aim at those mud skippers, see who can hit.
Okay ma, you know, it is damn far. How can we make it?
It's not damn far. It was just below. Then
It's
you know,
pretty far lah. It's like
Pretty
maybe
far
15
lah.
meters
Wait.
away.
did y'all manage to aim the mud skippers?
Many times.
The,
Then.
the score was like what, 7-4 or something like that.
Then you know how they did or not? They were like, they take the stones, right, the pebbles, right? They, because, yeah, people walking past, right? They were just like, hey, drop that there.
Hey, why got one skipper?
In the head.
I remember my two cousins, our younger cousins, they woke off though. I think they...
Okay, but younger days. This was like many years ago.
Yeah. But you guys were proud of it lah.
You were.
For me, okay, so I remember one time, right, I was walking at night along pavement. So you guys have ever saw like snails at the pavement, then you guys like subconsciously tell yourself that, hey, I don't want to step on the snail. Yeah, so like you guys will almost step, but then you guys just like, hey, okay, like thank God I missed. So then got this thing happen. So I luckily I missed the snail lah. So the snail, right, was traveling in a certain direction. You can see like the trail, right, behind the snail.
Slime.
I just turned the snail around. I just put it back to the starting spot. I just carried the thing.
2 days worth of effort gone.
It don't work. Imagine he like going to see his family, then he like, oh, what the hell?
Hey, why am I here again?
Forget it.
Hey, but at least he never died though. I saved his
Our
life.
mud skipper also never died.
I saved his life. I put it out of harm's way.
He still needs to cross.
Oh yeah, you said to go back. You just times 2 the half though.
Oh my god, that was bad.
Now that
I don't know
is
what it was.
cruelty.
You guys think that the things that y'all do, is it very cruel?
Quite cruel
Okay,
lah.
quite
Quite
cruel.
cruel.
Okay, so recently, right, okay, let me show you guys this image first. Then you'll see based on yours and based on this image.
Which one more cruel?
Yes, which one more cruel?
What the hell is going on here?
Hell, what bird is this? So big.
It looks like a myna.
Huh? It's a minor.
It is a myna.
I thought you're just black.
But what's going on? It cannot skew it or what?
Yeah, so right, you see this cable?
Uh-huh.
So this cable, right, is locked to here, as in like they tighten it. This myna is glued to the...
Oh, it's glued.
Yeah, it's glued to the twig. And then the twig, right, the person just put it here attached to the tree.
Okay, this one is an elaborate cruelty, no?
Yeah. So this one, right, I would assume that, he already done out on the twig, then after he attached it to the tree. Yeah.
Why would and how would somebody do this? And why?
Sadly...
I mean, okay, I know myna is super annoying. I've seen it there, but like, why?
Okay,
You
myna
don't
still
deserve
okay.
this,
No, myna still okay.
Oh my god, the... Oh, that one is...
What's it?
What's it?
Bird.
The bird.
Yeah, when try to search for the name, cannot find.
I found the name that
What
time.
is it?
Because we had this one video, I put the bird over there. But I can't remember what's the name.
Yeah, so it's quite bad, right? It's like, you know, at the side, it's like those beige color thing, right? It seems like glue, but actually it's not glue now, but I don't know what substance is that. So apparently, right, they are still trying to find,
The culprit.
the culprit, because
Still cannot find.
The thing is, right, I feel that this is like, it takes a lot of like time and effort.
Yeah, it's very elaborate, no?
Right, yeah.
like there's
You
like
go out
purposely-
of your way just to like harm this bird.
You know how hard it is to catch a bird, no? It's
And
not
then
easy to
put
catch
it
a
in
bird.
place
No?
and then glue it to the stick. It's
Maybe-
something else.
I feel that, right, okay, like just now you all mentioned like you all throw stones at the mud skipper, right? At least the mud skipper, right? Okay, this is bad, but at least the mud skipper have a fighting chance, you know. They have a chance
What's
to
the
avoid
fighting chance?
They have
They
chance to
break
avoid
the leg or what?
certain things.
No
Okay?
lah, they are-
We are Hawkeye, no.
They
Yeah.
have just, but this one is
Stop.
totally helpless, one.
That's
This
true.
bird is
Because
helpless.
most of it is like forced to the twig and then slowly.
Your snail also helpless, what? What is he gonna do?
Alright guys, so I want to know how well you all know about your animals, okay? So I have prepared 5 questions and I'm going to
Come.
test you guys. So later we'll see who is the winner, who's the second, and who's the last.
Okay,
Okay?
okay.
So what y'all can, I will say the question, I'll
Okay.
give you all 4 answers.
MCQ
multiple
lah.
choice.
Yeah,
okay lah.
easy
Easier,
one,
easier.
okay?
I love
Okay,
MCQ.
Then you just throw me the answer, alright?
Okay.
Okay, first question. How do butterflies taste their food?
I know.
Using
How?
Wait.
Don't give the answer.
Wait, it's very unfair. Can you just give
Okay, now I say
this thing from their mouth lah, just like the food.
No.
How? What are the
Okay,
MCQ
so the
questions?
first one is A. By standing on their foot.
Okay,
Second, by flipping their wings at their foot.
okay,
Third, by sticking their antennas into their foot.
okay,
Fourth, by licking it.
okay.
So
Answer?
which one? Okay, I say
I know the
1, 2,
answer.
3, your point. Okay,
Okay,
so
okay.
1, 2, 3, 4 point.
Okay.
Okay, do y'all want me to repeat?
No, no need.
Okay,
Wait lah.
Hey, you must.
Okay.
Yeah, the answer must come out, no?
okay,
okay.
must come out. Capture in camera. Okay,
okay.
1, 2, 3.
4.
One.
Is one.
Answer is 1.
What's that? What's
They
that?
use their feet.
They use their feet to taste
Butterflies
their
use their feet.
Yeah.
Oh, you're lucky.
We are not the last. We are not the last.
food. Okay,
It's
good.
opposite from me, ah. Normally the feet is the food for me. Yummy!
Okay, second one. How many insects can a single bat gobble down in a single night?
Walao,
How
this
many
one difficult lah.
insects?
Can a bear gobble down?
A bat.
Oh,
Bat.
okay.
Okay.
Difficult lah.
Option 1, 30. Option 2, 300. Option 3, 3,000. Option 4, 30,000.
Okay.
Okay.
Sleep, eh?
Freudian sleep.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone has your answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, have an answer.
Okay.
I don't know correct or not lah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. What's that?
Wow, all different answers.
What's this 2 ah?
2, 3, 4.
Yes, Freudian sleep was the answer.
I did 3 actually. I wanted to choose 3.
What? You just die only. What? Die only. It's okay.
Okay, 3 more questions to go. Okay, the third question. Which pregnant animal sings to their unborn baby?
Ah, okay.
Which
This one,
one?
I think I will know.
Pregnant animal. Okay,
sings
come.
to their
Options?
unborn baby. First, dolphins. Second, chimpanzees. Third, giraffes. Fourth, birds.
Giraffe, how the baby here lah? So bad when they sing and tell the baby.
It's
What
just
the
like
hell?
swallow.
I don't know.
Fourth is what again?
Fourth is birds.
I'm gonna make a guess.
All of you have an answer?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1, point.
Dolphin. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dolphin.
It's not the intellectual
No,
man.
then come on, the dolphin sings, what? Right?
Yeah,
And then
right.
dolphins is mammal, so they will not lay eggs, so I will assume that.
That would be the
Answer.
elimination lah.
Yeah.
Okay, last
Two.
Okay, on par now.
Okay. Which is the noisiest bird in the world?
Ooh, but don't need to answer, don't need to sing clear. Don't need to sing. Ooh, but.
How does it sound?
Question 5.
Okay, first one. Rainbow lorikeet.
Sound like a noisy bird, okay?
Okay, second one, screaming piha.
Oh, sounds like
Sounds like a trap.
Third, white bell bird.
Okay.
Fourth, crow.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, do you have an answer?
Okay.
It sounds like it should be 2, but 2 sounds like a
A
trap.
trap,
also.
right?
Yeah.
Screaming piha. Even
But that one sounds like bloody noisy.
that's all it does. Yeah, I got my answer.
Crow is not very noisy also. I mean, we have the
Hey, very
Uber.
loud, sia.
We have the Uber annoys the fuck out of me. Yeah, you beat the
Okay, I'm
crow.
gonna guess. I'm
Yeah.
gonna
Okay, yeah.
guess.
guess
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh,
Actually.
3 is the answer.
Yes!
Smart guess.
But it sounds so like, white bell. Like, oh my god.
Oh my god, he really, the sound is like that one,
Oh,
the very high pitch one.
oh.
Yeah. Alright, last question is bird related, okay?
Okay.
What is the only type of bird that can fly backward?
Ayya, I know answer without.
no.
You know it?
Yeah?
Start what?
H
Ah,
lah.
correct. Everybody know. You don't know? Wait, we give the answer already. Shit! Everybody know what?
What are the multiple choices?
Hungry bird. What are they?
Angry bird.
Hungry bird.
Humpty Dumpty bird.
No, wait, you say maybe I can recall.
First one, ostrich.
Okay. Can I even fly?
Second one, eagles.
Okay.
Horse bird lah, say something.
Hummingbird.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Fourth one, chicken.
Okay. I know this.
Hummingbird lah, yeah,
Okay,
lah.
so-
Everybody know that lah.
1, 2, 3.
Chicken.
Alright, so what's the score now? You are 4.
He win lah.
Yeah, 3,
3, 2, 2. We tied. So there's no
3, 3.
loser.
Okay, so tie. I have one last question to determine the ultimate loser.
Oh, okay. So I'm out lah.
There.
Yes. Are you all ready?
Okay.
Okay, I will say give you 4 options, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so which of these body parts do birds not have? First, brains. Second, toes. Third, teeth. Fourth, feathers.
Okay.
feathers.
Must be.
Okay, I mean.
Okay, come.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Thieves.
2.
You are right!
Wait.
Yes, birds do not have teeth.
But ducks have teeth, what?
Ducks
I
don't
ever
have
thought
teeth.
duck had. Duck have teeth. Because
Ducks don't have teeth.
Don't have. I went to research.
What?
Ducks actually don't have teeth. It seems like a teeth, but actually it's not considered teeth.
actually I thought also duck have teeth.
Mm.
But because they must have
Then why
toes
you
what?
choose
They must have toes what? They have toes what? No meh?
They want toes, I don't know lah.
It's like claws or talons.
I thought it's confirmed out of the 4 right. Teeth is maybe duck have,
No,
but the rest don't
but
have.
if you know ducks have teeth, then why would you choose teeth?
Because I think all have toes, all have brain, all have feathers. Then the most correct answer is teeth. what?
Okay lah. Okay.
Alright,
It's correct.
so
It's correct.
just like I say, we have a punishment for it.
What's the punishment?
Punishment, I also like to give options. Give
Oh,
people
let's see.
option. I have 3 here.
Wow.
You can choose one.
Oh.
Wow. Special mix.
Wait. So this is how our YouTube is gonna be next time. I just say it first, punishment is on the table now.
We don't mind.
We're not losing. Okay.
Is that
Wait, you like feet, right?
Huh?
You like feet, right?
I love
You
it.
love Okay, show it to us and the audience.
Tell us one secret if you don't know.
Aiya, this one's simple.
Yeah,
This
secret.
This one is the one that I want you to take.
Okay, the thing is, you guys know everything about me.
Sure not.
No,
That's not true. That's not true.
You confirm.
That's not true.
Just
Confirm
one.
you got something hiding on.
Yeah, you got a lot of nonsense that you keep secret one.
Yeah, I'm very curious how is this.
Later.
Okay, if you cannot say, then we go with the last
Okay.
punishment.
But
it must be a real secret, no?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Okay. I just tell you guys one secret. But this is gonna be on live lah, so I probably gonna share it with them, right?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. But the thing is, can you guys keep secret or not?
Okay.
Can you guys keep secret or not? Can you guys? I also can keep secrets, so I cannot say it. Please, I knew this is coming.